All right, in this video, I'm going to go over how to calculate the probability of an event occurring. Remember, probability just means how likely it is that something happens. So this is the fraction I would use. So on the bottom is total outcomes. So that's like how many things there are to choose from. And on the top is desired outcomes, which is how many of the thing that we actually want. So if I look at this problem, I can see that there's 9 blocks. So automatically I know that 9 goes on the bottom because that's how many total outcomes we get to choose from. And then for P of blue, the P means probability. So it's asking what's the probability of getting a blue block. So if I count, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 blue. So it'd be 4/9. And then if it asked me to write it as a decimal to percent, so I could do long division. So I would put the 4 inside the house and the 9 outside. I would do my long division. And if I got 0.4 repeating, that's the same thing as 0.444, and it just keeps going forever. That line means that it repeats forever. So to turn that into a percent, I would move the decimal over 2 places to the right. Sorry about that. Let me do it again. 1 and 2. So my new decimal is right here, so it'll turn to 44.4%. All right, let's look at the second one. So what's the probability of getting a pink one? So same idea. We know it's out of 9. There's 1, 2 pink blocks, so it'd be 2 out of 9. Again, I could set up my long division. My decimal would be 0.2 repeating, which is really similar to this one. It'd be like 2, 2, 2, and going on forever. If I move my decimal place over 2 places to the right, I would get 22.2%. All right, and last one. What's the probability of getting blue or pink? So what this is saying is we're looking at not just blue or pink, but together. So how many blue plus how many pink are there? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 blue plus 2 pink would be 6. So that one would be 6 out of 9. So anytime it says like this or that, you basically just add up those two items together and that will tell you the total probability.